Welcome friends. In this video I am going to evaluate triple integration from 0 to a, 0 to x and 0 to x plus y, e to the power x plus y plus z dx dy dz. By seeing this, what you can observe here is, first you can integrate with respect to x, y and then with respect to z, but you don't have to see the order of the integration for this dx dy dz. We have to check the limits. Okay, here the limiting function is from 0 to x plus y, therefore it is from z equal to 0 to z equal to x plus y, and remaining this is from y equal to 0 to x, and this must be x equal to 0 to a. I am rewrite the given example as integration from, this is x equal to 0 to a, and the second one is from y equal to 0 to x, because here integration is a function of x and y, therefore it must be z equal to x plus y, it says z equal to 0. Okay, therefore first you are to integrate with respect to z, then with respect to y, then with respect to x. Therefore to make it easy to integrate this e raised to x plus y plus z, I will split it as e raised to x into e raised to y into e raised to z. Product of three terms I can write. Okay, into first with respect to z, therefore dz I will write, and I will put the one square bracket for this one, which is to be integrated first. Remaining one is dy then dx. Okay, therefore in my first step I will integrate this one with respect to z. E raised to x, e raised to y are constant, I will write as it is them. X equal to 0 to a, integration from y equal to 0 to x, and e raised to x into e raised to y are constant. Integration of e raised to z with respect to z is e raised to z itself. This is between the limits z equal to 0 to z equal to x plus y into dy dx. Okay, now substitute the limits, upper limit minus lower limit for this one, that is integration from x equal to 0 to a as it is, y equal to 0 to x as it is, e raised to x into e raised to y also as it is. Now upper limit z is replaced by x plus y, therefore e raised to x plus y here minus e raised to 0 into dy dx. Now whether it is integrable with respect to y or not, we have to check. It is not yet integrable. I will simplify this one and then we can integrate this one. Okay, multiply these two inside and then integrate. Integration from x equal to 0 to a, correct, and y equal to 0 to x, e raised to x into e raised to y into e raised to x, it will become e raised to 2x into e raised to 2y. This also can be written as e raised to x into e raised to y, therefore if you productivity less, minus e raised to 0 is nothing but 1, therefore 1 into e raised to x, e raised to x into e raised to y. This is to be integrated with respect to y now. Okay, now to integrate this with respect to y, I will put the bracket for this one and then into dx I will write. Okay, now integrate this one now with respect to y. Integration from x equal to 0 to a, e raised to x is constant again because you are integrating with respect to y now, therefore e raised to 2x constant, e raised to 2y integration is e raised to 2y divided by 2 minus e raised to x as it is again constant, e raised to y integration is e raised to y. This is between the limits y equal to 0 to y equal to x into dx. Okay, in this also we have to replace y by x and y by 0, upper limit minus lower limit, that is nothing but integration from x equal to 0 to a, e raised to 2x into e raised to 2y, y is replaced by x, 2x divided by 2 minus e raised to x into e raised to y, y is replaced by x, e raised to x. This is my upper limit minus lower limit, y is replaced by 0, e raised to 2x into e raised to 0 divided by 2 minus e raised to x into e raised to 0. Okay, into bracket I will carry as this dx as it is here. Okay, now simplify this one and then we can integrate this one with respect to x. For simplification, integration from x equal to 0 to a, before integration I will simplify this. E raised to 2x into e raised to 2x, e raised to 4x divided by 2 minus e raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x minus e raised to 2x into e raised to 0, e raised to 0 is 1, e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x divided by 2 minus of minus, it will become plus e raised to x into e raised to 0 is nothing but e raised to x. This is to be integrated with respect to x. Before that, again integration, e raised to x, both the powers are same. I will simplify this one as integration from x equal to 0 to a, e raised to 4x divided by 2 minus, okay, here it is LCM is 2, therefore here it will become minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 times e raised to 2x plus e raised to x. Okay, this one I have to integrate with respect to x. That is my integration. I will get final answer as e raised to 4x integration is e raised to 4x divided by 4, but already 2 is there, into 2 minus 3 by 2 constant, e raised to 2x integration is e raised to 2x divided by 2 plus e raised to x integration is e raised to x, and this is between the limits 0 to a. Now we can substitute upper limit minus lower limit for x. I will get e raised to 4a divided by 8, correct, 4 into 2 8 minus 3 divided by 4, 2 into 2, e raised to 2a plus e raised to a. This is my upper limit minus lower limit, x equal to 0 to substitute. Therefore, e raised to 0 divided by 8 minus 3 by 4 times e raised to 0 plus e raised to 0. This one I have to simplify and I can write it as my final answer is e raised to 4a divided by 8 minus 3 divided by 4 times e raised to 2a plus e raised to a minus. This one I will simplify as minus, I will take LCM as 8 here, okay, this is 1 and this is 2, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 I have to multiply here, and this is divided by 1 is where I have to multiply here 8 minus 6 plus 8 into 1, because e raised to 0 is already 1. This one I have to simplify, and my final answer what I am going to get is e raised to 4a divided by 8 minus 3 by 4 times e raised to 2a plus e raised to a minus LCM is already 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 minus 3, that is 3 minus 3 divided by 8, or you can take 1 by 8 common, correct, from all the terms 1 by 8 if I take common, and I can write this one as e raised to 4a, and here 4 is there, I have to make it as 2, therefore it will become minus 6 e raised to 2a, and nothing is there, divided by 1 is there, 8 I have to make, therefore it is plus 8 times e raised to a minus 3, because the denominator already 8 is there. This is my required final answer for this one. Like this, many more examples on triple integration I am going to evaluate in my next videos. If you not yet